Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling materials and clearing the handle. This saves time later. Clean the wood or composite with rubbing alcohol, then let it dry. Moisture prevents adhesion. Next, attach the end of the grip tape to the knob. Hold the tape at a slight angle so it overlaps consistently. Use a firm, steady motion. Start tight near the knob, then unwrap upward. Once done, make sure the wrap has no gaps because gaps will shift during play. You control feel and durability with tension and overlap. Keep a steady pull. Too tight can deform the handle, too loose will unravel. Aim for minimal stretch, about 10%. As you spiral up, set each pass to overlap the previous by roughly 1/2 inch so padding is uniform. Pause periodically to smooth air pockets and align edges. Small corrections prevent major issues later. Once you reach the desired start point near the barrel, trim cleanly and prepare to secure the end. You finish by locking the wrap in place with finishing tape. Wrap 2 to 3 tight turns over the seam for a smooth end. Trim any excess tape flush, then run your hand along the handle. If edges feel rough, lightly sand or file them for comfort. If the grip slips later, don't ignore it. Remove the end cap, re-clean the handle, and rewrap with slightly more overlap or add an adhesive backing. That corrects most common failures quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.